Welcome to your English Toolbox, the Slow English podcast, where we train your ears step by step. My name is Peter. Today we have a calm, shadowing episode. I will speak slowly, and you can shadow with me whenever you want.
Introduction.
You stand in front of a door. It says, English. You have seen people walk through it easily. They speak fluently, confidently, naturally. But when you try to open it, it doesn't move. You watch videos. You try apps. You memorize vocabulary lists. You work hard, really hard. And still, the door stays closed. And slowly a thought appears. Maybe I'm not good at languages. Maybe something is wrong with me. But nothing is wrong with you. The problem is not you. The problem is the traps that keep the door locked. Invisible traps that hold millions of learners in the same place. Today, I want to help you escape them. In the next minutes, I will guide you through the 3 traps that stop your progress. 3 traps that make your English feel slow, heavy, or stuck. And 3 ways to break free.
Trap 1. The vocabulary. Trap.
Trap number 1 is the vocabulary trap. The idea that you just need more words. It sounds logical. It feels productive. So you collect lists, apps, flashcards, word after word after word. But when someone asks you, "How are you today?" your mind goes blank. Learning vocabulary is not the same as using vocabulary. Knowing thousands of words means nothing if you cannot create a natural sentence in real life. So how do you escape this trap? You speak out loud, even if your sentences are simple. Even if you know only a few words, use them every day. Learning English is not about filling your brain. It is about training your mouth and training your ears.
Trap 2. Waiting to be ready.
Trap number 2 is waiting for the perfect moment. The idea that you will speak when you feel ready. You wait for the perfect sentence. the perfect accent, the perfect version of you. But that moment never comes. Speaking is scary. You might forget a word. You might make a mistake. You might feel embarrassed. But that is how everyone starts. Speaking is like riding a bicycle. You wobble, you fall, you look silly. But then you find balance. So do not wait for perfect. Do not wait to feel ready. Speak now. Even if it is messy. Messy is better than silent.
Trap 3. Believing you are the problem.
Trap number 3 is believing you are the problem. You study for months, maybe years, but your progress feels slow. Fast conversations confuse you. Mistakes repeat. Your confidence drops. And the small voice returns. Maybe English isn't for me. But that voice is wrong. You are not the problem. Your method is the problem. Most learners do too much passive learning. They watch. They read. They listen. But they do not use the language. Real improvement comes from creation. Speak to yourself. Record your voice. Write short paragraphs. Shadow the sentences you hear. After every lesson, ask yourself, how can I say this in my own words? That question changes everything.
Review.
Trap 1. Collecting vocabulary, but not using it. Trap 2. Waiting for the perfect moment. Trap 3. Believing you are the problem. You are not the problem. You were just stuck in the traps. And now you can see them clearly. That English door will not open by magic. You open it with your voice, with your practice, with the courage to keep going. You are much closer than you think. If this calm, shadowing episode helped you, please leave a small comment before you go. Your comments show the platforms that our community is real, active, and growing. They help me continue creating more slow, clear episodes for you. Tell me which trap you escaped today or which one you want help with next. See you in the next episode.